Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about how to use SQL group by and having clauses. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. If you are familiar with the group by and having clauses of SQL, you can use these in the 5th and 6th parameters of the query method. As an example, suppose you wanted to find out how many drinks there are for each value of favorite. To do this, you would create a query to return the favorite column and count of drinks. You would then group by the favorite column to return the number of drinks there are for each value of favorite. Group by the favorite column. Return the favorite column and the number of drinks. If the data in the drinks table looks like this, the query will return data like this. There's one drink where a favorite has a value of 1 and 2 drinks where a favorite has a value of 0. Now that we have seen how to create a cursor using the query method, in the upcoming videos we'll see how to use it. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.